Help support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J. And with Blueberry, the community that gives creators the power to make money, get detailed audience measurements, and host their audio and video. Get a 30-day free trial by using promo code Blueberry004.
Yeah, I have no idea what's going on, but we're gonna, as I said, we're gonna find out together. It's a lot of fun, and I've been in worse situations, not much worse. But anyway.
We'll help you understand what's going on.
Okay, all right. So I know the company's name is MaxPro Fitness because I could see it on my little monitor. And tell me a little bit about what you're doing.
Sure. So either I, Serena.
Go ahead.
No, go ahead, Serena.
No, go ahead. You're the one that's on camera. They can see you.
So
you're all on camera.
Oh, we are. We have a very unique new portable fitness solution that basically it's a gym in a box. You know, and there's a lot of
gym in a box.
Show them. Open it.
Yeah.
Show them. Gym in a box.
There's a lot of gadgets.
It's called MaxPro, and this is the gym in the box.
Right. So I'm going to tilt this up. So I'm going to tilt it up here a little so you can kind of.
Did you get this through TSA?
It can go through TSA. Yes. No problem at all.
Oh my God.
So here we go.
Check this out.
Yep. So you have the main unit. It's a Bluetooth connected, of course. We're at CES, right?
Okay, we're going to have to pull this up.
I'll do that.
There's so many pieces in here.
I'm going to just show you a few of the pieces.
It's scary. So let's start somewhere.
So here we're going to start with the actual base unit.
Oh, baby.
Right? So you have here the whole unit. Very beautiful design, sleek, minimalist design to fitness.
See, I'm thinking it's some kind of like a telescopic photo device on the back.
You can just kind of binoculars, right?
Okay.
No,
Where
then it opens up.
Okay.
It opens up just like this.
Right.
Okay, we're going to place it right here. Now what you have here is a super easy adjust resistance dial. So if I can turn it this way, you can see the actual resistance. When it's on 1, that is 5 pounds. Okay. You go all the way to about right there.
Yeah,
that's
you
20.
go all the way to right there.
So that 25 pounds is roughly about 150. Level 25 is about 150 pounds of resistance. Right. So you're going really 300 pounds of resistance on this little machine.
Okay.
So it originally started like, hey, how do I actually take all the workouts I do in a gym with me on the road?
Okay.
Okay, but I used to get tired of push-ups or bands or something like that, and I wanted to actually use some real resistance. And so we came up with this design here, which then you...
So you're obviously going to stand here.
Right. So
and these are going to be pulled up like so.
You got it. So you're going to put it right here.
Okay.
And then you're pulling up and down.
I can do 5 pounds.
So you do it like you said. You can stand on it.
Okay.
Or we have.
So I'm going to do arm curls with this device.
You can do arm curls. You can do shoulder raises. You can do squats. Okay. You can do overhead extensions. You can do triceps. So
all kinds of stuff.
There's a bunch of stuff. And if you speed up your workout, then it becomes more of a cardio resistance type workout. We also, because it's also made for travelers or people who are looking to work out in hotels. So we have basically a 2-bracket system here. It's very simple design that basically just opens up here like that. You put the MaxPro in here, just shut.
Whoa. What is MaxPro? Where are we putting it?
It goes right in here like this. So if you have this.
This is MaxPro.
Yes,
okay,
yes.
I didn't know it had a name.
All right, so you put it like this.
Okay.
Thank you for holding that.
My pleasure.
And then you just hold it like that, lock it, and now you got another one here. And you have a strap.
Okay.
So you have. There's the strap.
There's the strap. One strap, 2 brackets. That's all you would need to take it with you on the road for doing additional exercises.
Goes around the door this way.
Right. So what you have now is this strap. Wrap it around a door, any door. If you're traveling, hotel door, whatever, and these 2 brackets, and now you just multiply the number of exercises that you can do. You can pull this way, anything you do in a gym, basically. You can put it at the top of a door, you can put it at the middle of a door, you can put it at the bottom of a door. And you can do these types of workouts,
now
these types of workouts.
The strap goes all the way around the door, so
correct.
I'm just trying to think of the hotel room I'm in now. There's no door except for the door to the room.
That's right.
What about the bathroom door? On the other side?
Yeah, they do have one. In the hotel I'm staying at, I don't know if I'd put anything on
for the front door.
Or
this actually
the hotel door.
Okay.
Yeah. The hotel door.
Yeah.
Okay. That would work out.
The front door would be perfect, actually, for something like that. And then you also have a long hallway, so usually you can just do more longer type of workouts. What's super interesting and unique as well about this is that it comes with a bar system as well.
Really?
You know that this is one of 3 pieces. So this just screws into this, and then we have another piece here.
Right. Okay.
Right? And so what this happens is that...
By the way, I need to point out, because you know this, the audience doesn't, this is very well-made equipment. This is not a plastic or a tinker toy type of thing. There's some weight to this. This thing clearly is very precision. You know, these are not just, you know, sawed-off pieces of metal. There's nice rubber holders on these, and, you know, this looks like it's steel. So this is not a junky type of device whatsoever. It's quite well-made. Quite well made and quite sturdy from what I'm observing.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. We've worked very hard to get to this level.
I can see it's a quality piece.
Even just the simplicity of just doing that, and that we want to be, anyone can work out.
There's a lot of engineering in that. Yeah.
Older adults, younger, you know,
Are you
athletes.
To me or no?
No, older.
Oh, okay.
So in terms of what you were just saying, so you can take this bar and make a short bar. So you can do like curls and rows with it, or you can add that centerpiece to do more of a squat bar. So we try to think about different scenarios, different types of workouts where you might need a long bar, short bar, and so on. So we have all these types of accessories that we put in here, including the ankle strap. So you can get a really good leg workout as well. And Sabrina, if you have a backpack, I can even share with you, you know, for the traveler. We're not going to get that in your face, but kind of like how it would look like.
How clever is that?
So it has space for everything that he just called out.
What's the weight of this?
That's 17 pounds right there. And, of course, that's not like for everyday, you know, travel, but it is something that you can take with you, throw in a car, you know, if you're traveling to a lake cottage or whatever.
Oh, without question. It's, you know, it's definitely portable.
Some people on a boat who are stuck on a boat for a while, they can actually keep their workouts going. In here, we also have the jump belt. The jump belt is really a really cool feature. It's my favorite part, believe it or not. What that does is helps you do more plyometric training, which is like power, explosive movements. If you mount the MaxPro to a wall or a door, which we actually have a track system as well that you can mount to a door, a wall. And then you can do short sprints. You got 12 feet of cord. This cord, by the way, will hold over 550 pounds.
So this will hold me.
Just one side will hold 550 pounds.
One side.
And it's a 1.8 millimeter, but it's used in the next generation of bulletproof vests. So like you mentioned, we are using the finest quality, high durable materials. And it's something that is extremely important to us, that it's durable and lasts for quite a long time for many workouts.
So are there a number of different kits that you would use, or ways that this is composed, or is this is the
of ways to use it?
No, not of ways, of different pieces that go to the puzzle, or this is the kit and it has everything that you need in it?
You can buy add-ons. The jump belt that he just
Yep.
The jump belt that he just showed you is an add-on. The track system is an add-on. We're now for CES special, we're including the long bar in every purchase. The 3-piece long bar.
So what does this kit cost?
We have 2 different models. Nazar hasn't talked about the app yet, but we have a base model and a connected model. The connected model will use Bluetooth to attach to the app that we have, which will allow you to count your reps. It will also track your workout. So we have a graphing system which will show your progress, where you're starting, where you're ending. You can set goals for yourself. We have a community piece too, where you can encourage people. You can say, I worked out today.
So the app obviously comes with this.
The app comes with that, yes. And the app is the MaxPro with the app is $549.
That's very reasonably priced.
Thank you.
I mean, you're going to get this. You're going to get a great workout. It's portable. You can take it with you.
Yes.
I kind of like that.
There's the app.
This is the actual app interface.
Let me see that because. Okay, so that's a quick peek at the app.
Right.
I haven't. This is the first time I'm seeing it, so I can't give you all the ifs, ands, but it says trains, results, learn, and wellness. So does it do calorie count and stuff like that?
Keeps track of your calories burned.
So it's robust as these apps are, and to me this is a critical piece of the whole thing. It's kind of you don't want this without that. That's for sure. But it's well thought out. At least my first impressions of it's very well thought out. It's very well packaged. The backpack is killer. I mean, that's very clever, very smart for people who are, you know, dedicated to exercising.
Thank you so much. Like I said, we work pretty hard, and we want to put the whole ecosystem together for people.
Now, is this the first one, or are you just coming out of the chute with this?
Yeah, we are. We're a startup, and you know, usually someone comes out with one product at first, and then kind of builds on it.
I can see the amount of effort that's gone into this. I mean, there's a lot to this. You know, the other thing that, you know, I appreciate, you know, because I do a gazillion product reviews, but again, it's very, very well made, and the ability to fold and unfold and pack up small, it really provides you know, anybody with the ability to keep up their routine workouts. It's very clever.
Certainly appreciate it.
And we have colors.
We have multiple colors. We have white. We have obviously orange. We have purple, which Sabrina actually just was adamant about having the purple.
I like the purple.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm a big purple.
Thank you. We needed that.
And then we have also like a bare aluminum, kind of an industrial gun metallic look.
Quick question. What happens if for whatever reason I need service? This doesn't pull out, or this is broken. What happens to me?
First of all, we have a 14-day money-back guarantee.
Okay.
Then we also have basically 1 year on parts and labor. So if anything happens within that. But as we grow and we understand how to work on the service side, we also have, for something like this, like a cord, we have spare parts that are and it's easily serviceable.
Oh, no kidding.
Yes. So that's going to be a very important piece. One other thing I just wanted to add.
Yep,
I'm going to get on and demo it too.
Oh, okay.
So go ahead and keep talking.
Yeah, one thing I wanted to add. Would you like this one?
Yes.
All right. Is we have onboard sensors. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Do we have time to demo this or no? Okay. I got people pointing at me in lights, so I'm just.
We have onboard sensors. You can just take the whole box off there. And the onboard sensors can give you not just calories burned and reps, like Sabrina was mentioning, but it can give you the actual power that you're putting into each arm. So you can see if one arm is stronger than the other when you're doing reps.
So we'll do a basic evaluation of where you're at.
Yes, exactly.
Let me ask you a question. Okay, so we can see Sabrina working on this now. Sabrina, do a couple more for me. So. How do I know? Well, I'm assuming the exercises that she is doing are standard anyway.
Those are standard, but we also have very good library database of all types of videos, over 120 videos that we have already built in.
And it will show you how to properly do the exercise. Yes. You're not bending right, or you're
Correct. We have description. We have tell them how to use it. Then you can also follow through on the video to see exactly how everybody's workout goes. So, for example, if I was going to show this video here, with the Wi-Fi.
Right, I understand that.
So anyways, you can actually see the videos running and so on. So everything is laid out, and you can also filter by, hey, I just want to do bench workout today, or I want to do upper chest workout today, or I just, that kind of stuff.
What about for the abs and sit-ups and things like that? Does it allow you to do those types of things?
This is one of the best features. I'm glad you asked. There's absolutely no machine out there, and that can do not just resistance. She's doing resistance training, but I mentioned with the belt, you can do plyometrics. You can also lock those dials that you saw to the red,
right.
And you can do suspension training, which is like TRX. So if you're doing suspension training, there's a lot of core workouts that are involved in that to stabilize your body as you're doing some other workouts. So that's just unheard of, that you can do all of these exercises in such a small piece.
Well, you certainly seem to include everything there is to include. Very impressive, and I thank you so much for coming on, and thank you for working out for me today. I appreciate that. That was great. And we're going to wrap this one up. And one more time, the name of the company and where they can get information, where they can actually purchase this now.
Sir, we're MaxPro Fitness.
MaxPro Fitness.
And our website is maxprofitness.com.
Okay, maxprofitness.com.
Yep. So we have an online store that is active now, and definitely can order online.
Okay, once again, the price of the kit in the box?
The connected version is $549.
$549?
Yes. The base version without the connectivity is $429.
Go for the kit, man. Go for the big one. It's not that much of a price difference. And extremely well made, Gadget Professor approved, and I could see that in like 10 minutes. That thing is solid, very nice.
Thank you.
Machining's nice on it. The price is a good price point. Nice people here. She exercised for me a little bit today. This is all good, so thank you. It was
thank
nice
you
meeting you
so much for having us.
I wish you a lot of
really
success
appreciate
with it.
Thank
I
you.
think you got a winner there.
Appreciate
You
it.
really do.
Thank you.
Good.
You.
That's awesome.
You have a great day.
You too.
Thanks.
Thank you for coming on.